guys. Hi everyone. So this is the first time I'm talking in this vlog. Sorry for my cheesy daily routine. I look like a thumb right now because I have no makeup on. So every morning I start my day by heading over to the gym, and then I literally slept in so much today. Let it be known, I have not slept in this late since I worked at the Emporium and worked like crazy late hours. Anyways, I'm gonna head down to the gym and then I'm probably gonna hit Walmart because I have so much grocery shopping to do. What is my eyebrow doing? But yeah, so I'll keep you guys in the loop because it's my day off, so I have a lot of like little housekeeping things I have to do around here, and I'll keep you guys updated with it.